Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I could show you everything that I got in my Beautylish Lucky bag. I think it's a bag. Is it a box? A bag or a box? It's a lucky bag. It says lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. I thought I could go over how much I paid, what products I got, how much the whole bag and stuff was worth, so you can see if next year this is something you want to do. So they offer two different things. They have the bag and I think the extra large bag. I just did the regular bag. Since this was my first year, I wanted to try it out. It was $75 plus $10 in shipping, so $85 for me to get, I think it promises $150 worth of product. So let's dive in and see what I got and see if it was worth it. First was this VDL Layer Metal Cushion Primer. I've never seen a primer in a cushion form. So it's this guy right here. Ooh, you open them up, it's got a little puff, and then this other layer that I already took off because I used it, with this metal plate with these, can you see these tiny little, there's tiny little holes in there to push the product out. It also comes in here, it said it just comes with an extra puff, which it does, but it also seems like it has this refill. So, and by the way, all these products I used on my face today, so I can tell you a little bit about what they're like. So it's a pretty thin primer. It's really iridescent. It almost has like a lavender tint. And I swear I saw glitter on my face. I don't know for sure, and I don't think it lingered after I did the rest of my makeup, but just something to keep in mind. It says, a primer that fresh content maintained by metal plate soothes skin and Layer pigment brightens up complexion, which makes your face look more healthy and glowing. Don't know how I feel about this yet. I'm really hoping it doesn't break me out. The cushion is interesting, but I don't know. I don't get cushions. I don't love cushions. I'd rather just squeeze it out of something. So we'll see how that goes. This retails for $40. Next up is this. It says it's in this little coming soon wrapper. So I don't know much about this besides what's actually on here, but because like I can't find anything about this brand anywhere. I think I saw someone say online that it was kind of like The Ordinary, that this is supposed, just broke that right off, supposed to retail for like $6. So we'll see. It's Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. Just make that noise. Formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. It's 1 fluid ounce. Massage a few drops into the skin around your eyes in the morning and at night. Suitable for daily use. I used this morning too, and it was totally different than what I was expecting. It's this gorgeous glass bottle with an eyedropper. But this is like, it's like no eye, well, I guess it does say it's a serum, so that makes sense. I've never used a serum for under my eyes, only like creams. Occasionally, like I've used a gel. That apparently retails for $6. I really have no clue, but I can't see how this would be $6. Like that would be a ridiculously good deal if this was $6. Next is the Becca Glow on the Go kit. $20 is what it retails for, but it's a $32 value. This is in the shade Pearl. Oh, also when you choose this, you can choose if you have light to medium or medium to dark skin tones, I think is how they do it. Obviously, we know where I fall. So in it are little mini versions of the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed, which this, I have some other mini ones that I like were metal in the past. And this is plastic and feels a tiny bit cheap. It has a tiny mirror up here too, which might be good for a Barbie. Because this is like, I don't even know who in their right mind would use this as an actual mirror. But anyway, it's just a very shimmery, pearly, silvery. The Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight, which, same shade. It almost seems, I've never used Pearl, which is hilarious since you'd think that I would use like their lightest shade they have. But so I was excited to get this because I know I love these and I've not used them before in this shade. Next that I've already used, because I've already used all these things on my face, is the Wayne Goss 17, what's it called? Eyeshadow Crease Brush. Love Wayne Goss, love watching his channel. This felt very, very soft here, worked pretty well. It did start to feel scratchy on my eyes though, and I don't know why. But fantastic. I love getting brushes and things like this. I have about 1 billion brushes, but I can always use more. This retails for $28. Next is the R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. Elevate your hair to higher powers. Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist leaves your hair and scalp feeling cleaner than regular dry shampoos with no powdery residue. I'm not a huge dry shampoo person. First of all, I don't know how to incorporate it into curly hair. I feel like it would just mess up the curl pattern. Also, I do always have the powder issue. I don't know if I'm gonna even try this or if I'm gonna pass it on to somebody else. I do like that it's a mist. That seems pretty cool. I don't know how well it's gonna work. I didn't even look at reviews for it. I probably should to see what people think. But this sucker also retails for $28. Last but certainly not least is the Natasha Denona Camel Palette. I was crossing my fingers that in this box there would be something Hourglass or Natasha Denona, and I was not. I mean, I'd still love some Hourglass. But here's this guy. It's a very neutral, obviously, camel palette. It's what's all over my eyes today. In fact, I used every single shade. This retails for $48. This was definitely well received. I know a lot of other people in theirs got the cranberry palette. Oh, come on. I was a tiny bit disappointed in this glittery shimmery shade. I wanted it to be more foiled. It's what's all over my lid right now. I even sprayed it with Fix Plus and it just, I don't know, was a tiny bit lackluster for me, but I need to play with it a little bit more. Maybe put it all over my lid and do nothing in my crease. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, so that was the Beautylish Lucky Bag. The total retail minus the cost of this Good Molecules serum, since I know really nothing about it, was $164. So they promised $150. I got $164 plus. I am pretty happy with it, and I think I'll do it again next year, possibly even the, I didn't tell you what the other one costs. The XL bag I think is $150 and you get $300 worth of loot. But yeah, I was happy with it. I'll do it again. That's it. Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you're happy. If you're happy and you know it, give a thumbs up. Works for me. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.